Cold start on the Acura MDX. Doing the half throttle method.
With sneakers.
With sneakers.
Dude, you mind if I turn on the music?
No, don't.
Alright.
I'm letting the fuel pump warm up by turning on the key to the second thing. Alright, I'm gonna do 2 priming full throttles all the way down. 1, 2. I'll just do another one. 3. Because last time it wasn't primed enough. Okay. Now I'm going to hold it down. Halfway, like that. It's halfway down. Okay. Halfway down. Here goes.
Dude, it's kind of hot in here. You mind if I turn on the windows?
Sure.
Your mirror's kind of...
Don't.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Ow, it's pretty hot in there, you know? Let's turn on the radio. Sweet.
Let me turn them, put down my window.
Daddy boys. Yo, turn off the motherfucking lights. You know what it is. Yeah, fuck your dreams, nigga. This reality. God, he knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. They say I'm getting money, must be Illuminati. Talking to the Holy Ghost in my Bugatti. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't